Good evening. In New at 6, a parent's desperate struggle to find help for a child with mental health issues, and she's not alone.
News Channel 5's Matthew Torres shows us about 20% of children are living with a mental health condition.
On Tuesdays, I'm able to pick up his medication.
As a mother, Patricia Etheridge fits into different roles.
Mental health co-op that comes 3 times a week. And then the Metro Nashville Public Schools teacher will come out twice a week.
But juggling schedules has been a tough job.
I was desperate to try to find my son help.
She now has to work from home in order to get the help her 14-year-old son needs.
Because there's no way I could do all of these appointments and care for my son and go to a job for 8 hours a day.
Her son struggles with mental health issues.
Post-traumatic stress disorder, an infant of drug abuse, there's ADHD, there's reactive attachment disorder, oppositional defiance disorder.
He's been aggressive since he was 4 years old in school.
He has assaulted a teacher, and actually they had to go to the hospital because of it.
And at home, and was even suicidal.
He's threatened me, honestly. And I've had to call the police out. He's been arrested 7 times over the past few weeks.
For years, she tried many things but failed. She was told a residential treatment program or psychiatric hospital will help, but
either A, they had no bed, or B, they had a bed, but because of his aggression, he was personally denied. Like, how does that happen? We got a bed in prison, but we don't have a bed in a hospital.
Oftentimes, the families we're working with are desperate to find their child some help and supports in the community.
Chelsea Fight, a child and adolescent crisis supervisor with Mental Health Cooperative, provides services with case management, therapy, and medication. She says it never hurts to have more resources in the state.
There aren't a ton of beds available if you are a child or even a teenager who might need psychiatric hospitalization somewhere.
For now, Etheridge has been instructed to create an in-home program while getting help from Fight's team. She may have to fit different roles in her new schedule, but the role of mom will always be number one.
I'm going to stick with him, and I'm never going to give up.
Matthew Torres, News Channel 5.
The state licenses 52 sites for mental health residential treatment for children and youth, but had no exact number of the bed count.